At IIT Mumbai, our engineering curriculum equips students with the skills and confidence to lead in future tech careers. Our curriculum emphasizes experiential learning through internships, projects, industry collaborations, research, and innovation. The autonomous curriculum empowers students to specialize in transformative technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, and next-gen IoT. These cutting-edge technologies are embedded through program elective tracks and honors minor programs. Our unique credit transfer program offers an opportunity to our students to pursue credit courses from the top institutes like IIT Bombay, IIM Mumbai, C-DAC, and L&T Skill Training Academy. At IIT Mumbai, we create future-ready engineers who are inspired to lead, innovate, and make a meaningful impact on society.
The best part about Vidyalankar is that we have a very good faculty who have expertise. They are guiding our students, mentoring our students, not only for the job, but also for the entrepreneurial ventures.